How to get unlimited coupon code for existing users on Temu. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for unlimited Temu coupon code. From here you can head over to any site. Let me head over to this one right here. Tap on it. It will land you on this interface. You will find different coupon codes over here. You can tap on any one of it. Let me tap on this one. Click on this arrow. One code will be visible to you. You need to copy that code. Once you have copied, head over to your application Temu. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on You at the bottom. And right here you will be able to see the option of coupons and offers. Tap on it. And then right here in this section, paste the code that you have just copied. Once you have entered the code, tap on Apply. There you can see that your coupon code has successfully worked. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial today on how to get unlimited coupon code for existing users on Temu. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.